Seth Miranda here with the new Sennheiser XS Wireless Digital microphone system. It's kind of an entry-level type system and modular in some regards, going from a lavalier to a handheld, but we'll get into some of those options in a little bit. But being a cable replacement in that it's wireless, you have lithium-ion 850 milliamp batteries that give you up to 5 hours operation time and are USB-C rechargeable, making it great for in-the-field type work, talking head to camera, then switching over to a handheld for an interview, and it's super easy with one-touch operation. You just turn it on, you can pair it, and you even mute it from the same button. In fact, you've been listening to it this whole time with the XSWD in my pocket and connect to the camera I'm talking to right now, talking to you guys. Let's go over some of these features. So like I've been saying, you've been listening to my audio on the lavalier part of the XSWD system. We have it here on this low profile in the field kit on this Nikon Z6. And you can see that the receiver actually comes with this nice shoe mounted clip and a belt clip for the transmitter. So over here on the XLRs, you have the male and female for the handheld version. And if we flip it around, you have this one button touch operation that once you press both down and they start looking for each other to pair, you can actually see that they're looking for each other. And while they're doing that, you can see the USB-C charging port at the bottom. And when we flip it back down, they're all paired and ready to go. One button goes yellow for mute, one button back goes green to ready to get going. Just slide it right in. This can go into the recorder and I'm good to go. For you musicians, they have the 1/4-inch jack option for the input. So that's the XS Wireless Digital microphone system from Sennheiser. It's a great option if you're just starting out and you want to have a lot of versatility. So if you have any other question about the specs, take a look at the link below or drop us a comment. As always, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.